Hey, my name is Travis Green. I'm the kart manager here at BLP Racing. I'm going to explain to you how we install boosters into our billet main bodies. Let's use a 450 machine Holly booster for example. We'll go ahead and take a 449 pin gauge and put it through the center of the barrel just to make sure when I go to swedge it in it doesn't crush it. Once that is checked and everything's good there, we go ahead and apply green Loctite to the end of the booster that'll be going through the main body. Put it in the body, take the body over to the fixture, and then pull down the swedging bar once it's off, while it's still off, to make sure it's centered. Once you know it's centered, go ahead and turn it on, swedge all 4 boosters in, make sure that there's no wiggle or rattle to them. Set it on the mill to make sure it's on a flat surface, and then go ahead and check all 4 boosters with the level to make sure they're level side to side. Once that's done, we'll go ahead and move it over to our dial indicator and check that it's centered or level front to back. And we try to keep it within 5 thousandths all the way around the booster so it has the best airflow inside.